I'm throwing the towel. Hello everyone, welcome back to another Lumibox video. Sorry, didn't have the box ready. So it's Lumibox's first birthday, which is surprising. I thought it was around for longer, but I did have a peek into the box and I will be doing a little tutorial because I do have enough products here. But first, I'll just show you the things I won't be using and then we'll get into the tutorial. So the one product I won't be using today is the Bling Pop Charcoal Bubble Face Mask. Now, I've used one of these before and they're really cute and they're really fun, but I'm not really into disposable masks as much anymore. So this one's made in Korea and I don't know if you've ever seen or used one of these, but it basically puffs up and it makes you look crazy. I'm not sure how well it works or if it's like a gimmick, but I will use that and, you know, put it to the test. Now for the rest of the products, I'll just skim through them and then I'll do the tutorial because I just realized I can use all of these. So next, we have two Model Rock products. We have the Model Rock Liquid Last Matte Lipstick. Oh my god, I'm all over the place today. So, this mask retails for $4.50. I haven't heard of this brand before, Bling Pop, but as I said before, I'm not really into like disposable ones anymore. So we have the Model Rock Eye Elixir, which is a luxurious whipped eye primer. And we also have the Model Rock Liquid to Matte Lipstick in the shade Spanish Rose. I'll do the lips last, but I'll show you guys what this one looks like. So the liquid lipstick retails for $25. It's a really cute colour. And then I have an eye primer, which also retails for $25. And I really like the packaging of this one. I don't really use eye primers, so I'm glad to have this in my collection. We also have, by the brand Chella, it's an eyeliner pen. Now this was the opt-in product. This one retails for $30 and you had the option of choosing black or brown, and this time I actually chose brown. I hate when products have this plastic film on it because it's so annoying to get off. The brown was the one I chose because I don't own one, and I thought, you know, I have so many eyeliner pens, I don't think I need another black one, so it's a nice little felt tip. So that's cute. And then last but not least, this is the most exciting product for me. I am a sucker. Whoa. Okay. Sorry if you guys hear anything in the background. There's like a plane at 9 o'clock at night. So this is the Lorella Cosmetics Sweetheart palette. I do own another palette by Lorella. This one retails for $45. It's also available at Discount Beauty Boutique, which is a pretty good website. So I'll show you guys this one. It's so beautiful. Isn't that stunning? It's so cute. I don't know what look I'm going for, but I'm just gonna get into it. So overall, the value of the box was amazing. I pay $49 and this is the base box. There's also a premium box, but I don't know. I think that one's like almost $100. I don't really want to spend too much on makeup. I'm actually trying to, you know, save a little. But, you know, everyone's different. If you want the premium box, go for it. Oh, I'll just be zooming you guys in. I'm always curious as to what people get in the premium box, so I always have a little sus. And honestly, the base box is fine. Like, it's not too far off. You're not really missing out on much. So off the bat, this primer's really creamy. Sorry, I just smell everything I try. Yeah, it feels really velvety, not too tacky. So I'm curious as to how this works with the eyeshadow. Now, oh my goodness, with my eyeshadow brushes, I really need to clean them. They're actually so bad. So I might actually get new ones. Got some clean brushes. This is a reminder, if you haven't cleaned your brushes in a while, do that now. So we have like a few lavender, like we've got this lavender shade, we've got purple, we've got some light pinks. They're really bright colours. You could also do like a deep look there. These aren't really showing that well on camera, but they're stunning. So I'm just gonna jump into it. The one thing I would say about this palette, there's not many like transition shades, but it is more of a bold palette, so I might just pop on a little lip balm because my lips are feeling pretty dry. So what's new, guys? I feel like lately I haven't been wearing much makeup because I have been suffering from allergies and I had this big rush on my face and problems with my eyes, and I had not worn makeup in so long, so I'm really excited to be wearing makeup again. I'm gonna start with the shade Be Mine. It's like a light baby pink and I'm using this like fluffy brush. I honestly don't know what look I'm going for. To be honest, it's been a while since I've worn colours on my eyes, so this could go one of two ways. So far, really blendable, pretty pigmented, which is nice. So with the Lumibox, there were two options for the palettes sent at random, and the other one was like a blue sort of palette, and I'm glad that I got this one because I vibe with pinks more than blues. I don't really wear blues. These eyeshadows smell a bit powdery. Nothing like too major, but it's a little powder. And there is a bit of kickback. This is like a fluoro pink, and I feel like I need to mute it down a bit or like deepen it out. So I'm gonna go in with the shade February, which is like another neon pink, and then probably XOXO. Let's just get into it. I wonder if these are pressed pigments. No, these are really pigmented. This is getting really, really bright. Kind of like, I don't know how this is going right now. I've kind of changed my mind. What I'm going to do, I was going to do like an all pink look, but what I might do is use the shade Kiss Me on my lid, and we'll see. Just to like sort of break it up. Wow. It's like a really bold look. Okay, I'm going to play around with it because it's just deepening it up a bit too much. So I'm going to go in the shade Cutie. I feel like this is a really bold choice when like you haven't worn makeup in so long and you just go in with like a pink purple look. I'm gonna deepen it out. I'm gonna use the shade Flowers. I'm gonna go back in with Kiss Me and like put it on the outer. The one thing about this is that I don't have anything nude to blend out the rest, so I'm gonna cheat a little and I'm gonna get my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm just gonna go in with like a cream shade. I feel like this is definitely like a trust the process thing because I don't know if I'm liking this at the moment. I'm so close to taking it off, but I want to see if I can make it work. Nothing wrong with the shadows, they're amazing, they're performing really nice. I just haven't used bold colours in a long time. The purple might have been a bit too deep. I'm throwing the towel. I'm throwing the towel. I'm back. Round 2. This was an epic fail. I'm gonna put this primer back on. I'm just gonna go for a different look this time. But yeah, I didn't do the best job cleaning up, and a lot of that is thanks to the pigmentation of these shadows. Yeah, I just thought I'd keep it in that, you know, sometimes you have those days, you just have a bad makeup day. And I feel like today, like my face and everything, nothing was working. Like my skin looks so textured, and you probably can't see it on camera, but it just looked horrible. So, round 2. Ding, ding, ding. Now, all these brushes are dirty, so I don't know if I want to go in with those. I think my thing is, I don't like purple shadows. I like pink shadows, but I don't really like purple. So let's try again. I'm gonna go in with Be Mine, that first colour that we used. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Hugs. I'm gonna go for like a more pinky, ready look. And I'm gonna go back in with Be Mine and just try and soften things out. Yeah, these shadows do have like a bit of like a baby powdery smell. Not that I don't think there's anything wrong with that, it's just something to be wary of. But I do tend to think that like cheaper formulations smell like this, but so far these shadows are fine. It's me that's the problem. Now I'm gonna go with that Hugs colour and put it on the bonnet. I feel like that looks miles better than the other look. Probably not the best, but better than what we had before. Now I'm gonna go in with the glitter. I don't want to ruin the look again. I might go in with True Love, which is this one at the bottom here. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like a sort of like a chunky foil formula, but that's so cute. I did take a risk before with that purple, and I definitely feel like it would have worked maybe if I put the purple in like the outer, but that's okay. You have those days. Now in the inner, I might use that colour I used before, Love Story. Cute. Okay. Next, I'm going to use the brown eyeliner pen. I don't know how well this is going to work with this look in particular. I'm also just gonna wipe my fingers. I don't know about you guys, but I like to use my fingers when it comes to foil shadows. I just feel like the pigmentation is much better. Oh, so it's still pretty dark. Oh no. No. Oh, it's just one of those days. I'll make the other one look bad to even it out. Okay, I'm gonna call in some backup. So what I normally do when I stuff up a wing is this. And it hurts my soul every time I do it. But I haven't been wearing eyeliner lately either. I feel like I'm just all out of practice. Okay, but all in all, the products, that eyeliner pen was fantastic. I really like that one. I feel like I'm just being tested with my abilities right now. So I don't have fake lashes, which kind of irks me. I'm just gonna reapply my mascara. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Woohoo mascara. Clump them up. I was gonna say, how bad is it when like you haven't worn makeup in so long and then you forget that like you're wearing it and then you go to like rub your eyes? It's the worst. So finally, I'm gonna go in with the Model Rock matte lipstick. This is in the shade Spanish Rose, which seems like a really nice colour. So I'm just gonna put that on now. Ooh. This sort of smells like the Stila liquid lip, if you've ever used that one before. Okay. That doesn't really go with the rest of the look, but I'm just about ready to cry. This look definitely needs some bronzer. I look so washed out. So that's what the eyes ended up looking like. So not too bad, but not my cup of tea. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching the July Lumibox. My makeup skills were put to the test and I feel like I failed a little bit, but overall this palette was actually really nice. I definitely feel like I've reevaluated my makeup tastes because I normally love this sort of thing, and right now it does bring out my eyes, but I don't know how I feel about this look. I definitely think back then I would definitely wear this pink eyeshadow, but I don't know if I'm getting older or what. A way I would wear it now is maybe if I use like a brown and then maybe like a little pop of pink. So I think my tastes have definitely changed, but overall it's a really, really lovely palette to look at. I just don't think I'll be reaching for the purples much, and they are really pigmented and really bright, so not really that wearable, but very fun to play with. The eyeliner was amazing. I'm surprised that it's brown because it looks pretty close to black, but that's fine. The eye primer, I don't know if I saw much of a difference first use, but I'll definitely be interested in using that, and I'm just going to pop that into my project pan because I don't really use an eye primer. And the lipstick, I think it's very, very nice. It just doesn't go with my current look. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.